Alright, I got another package. Well, they keep coming at different times. It's so close to each other. You know what they say, things come in waves, fastness or whatever. Alright, wait, let me... Yo, this is... One sec. Fuck, have I been on slow-mo this whole time? Here we go. Because I put my other comforter in the dryer, I guess for too long. It was only one run, but it started charring it. Literally, it came out charred. I don't know what I think it was too chunky. Too chunky. Up, right? They vacuumed. Oh my god, I just started the fucking... Never mind. So bad. Alright. Back up this, I guess. Start hissing at me, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Are you guys... Is this focused? There we go. I just gotta, like, check it out. This is my old comforter. It's so nice. Such a nice color. I'm just gonna match my sheets. It's all gonna be fucking ivory green. Hey, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna puff this up and make my bed. Dang, it also came with a pillow. That's goated. Or a pillow cover. That's goated. Hopefully it doesn't fucking char again. In the dryer. I'm not lying. It literally burned. Are they all running? Oh, what the hell? Short clips matter. Short clips like matter. That's really Alright, I don't know. This is what we're working with. I might do the gray sheets. Because it's looking like a 5-year-old's. With the contrast with the gray, I think it'll look good. Honestly, it kind of does. It looks a little gray on the camera. I'm gonna get that. I got it. I said excuse me to this girl. She just didn't move. And I said excuse me again. And she just looked at me. Freaking gorgeous. The pink clouds come through. Yo, it's my ex. It's my ex.
I get the whole cargo sheets.
I'm busting. Okay, I should close it because it's fucking freezing out. It's getting cold. It's gonna get cold. The grandma socks. got a fork. Let's see.